Beneath the crust of our world, something stirs. An ancient force, older than the mountains, stronger than any storm. It rumbles in silence for centuries, until one day, it awakens. From the ashes of destruction, life is born again. This is the paradox of fire, the power to destroy and to create. Volcanoes have shaped every continent, carved islands from the sea, and even changed the course of human history. They've buried entire civilizations, yet gifted us the fertile lands that feed them. In Indonesia, smoke rises from a restless giant that hasn't slept in 1,000 years. In Italy, Mount Etna paints the sky with fire, a living monument to the Earth's fury. And deep beneath the Pacific, unseen volcanoes are building the continents of tomorrow. Every eruption tells a story of pressure, of time, of a living planet still in motion. And beyond Earth, in the cold silence of space, volcanoes rage on distant moons, proving that even in the darkest corners of the cosmos, worlds are alive with fire. We live on a world forged by flame, a planet that breathes heat and ash from its very core. Every crack in the ground, every mountain peak is a whisper from the heart of the Earth. And if you listen closely, you can hear it, the heartbeat of a living world. This is the story of the fire that shapes our world. Here are 10 facts about volcanoes you won't believe are true. Fact 1. There are over 1,500 active volcanoes on Earth. At any given time, there are around 1,500 active volcanoes on land, and thousands more hidden beneath the oceans. Some erupt every few years. Others have been quiet for centuries. From Indonesia's Mount Merapi to Hawaii's Kilauea, volcanoes are constantly shaping our planet's surface. Even right now, more than 50 volcanoes are actively erupting somewhere on Earth. It's a reminder that our planet is never truly still. It's constantly in motion, burning with life beneath the crust. Fact 2. Volcanoes exist in space. Volcanoes aren't just an earthly phenomenon. They exist all across our solar system. The most volcanic body known is Io, one of Jupiter's moons. It's covered in hundreds of active volcanoes that spew molten rock hundreds of kilometers into space. Even on Mars, the colossal Olympus Mons rises nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest, a silent giant frozen in time. Volcanoes in space tell us that the universe itself is restless, forever reshaping and renewing the worlds within it. Fact 3. Some volcanoes sleep for centuries. Volcanoes can go hundreds or even thousands of years without erupting. These sleeping giants appear peaceful, covered in forests or snow, but deep beneath, magma quietly stirs. When they awaken, the results can be catastrophic. Mount Vesuvius, which buried Pompeii in 79 AD, had slept for nearly 700 years before that fateful day. Dormant doesn't mean dead, it means waiting. Fact 4. Underwater volcanoes create new islands. Beneath the ocean's surface, thousands of volcanoes are constantly reshaping the seabed. When one erupts, lava cools and hardens, slowly building new landforms. That's how entire islands, like Iceland and Hawaii, were born. In 2015, sailors near Tonga witnessed a volcano rise from the ocean overnight, creating a brand new island that still stands today. The process never stops. Earth is literally making more of itself beneath the waves. Fact 5. The largest volcano in the solar system isn't on Earth. Meet Olympus Mons, located on Mars, the largest volcano in our solar system. It stands 13.6 miles, 22 kilometers tall. That's about 3 times higher than Mount Everest and spans an area the size of France. It's believed to have erupted for hundreds of millions of years before falling silent. Its sheer scale shows how alien worlds can produce geological marvels beyond anything Earth has ever known. This is fact 6. Some volcanoes can erupt without warning. Hidden from our view, a sudden plug can form, trapping unimaginable pressure. A pocket of superheated gas can expand in an instant, or a distant earthquake can be the final trigger, shaking the system to its core. On a December day in 2019, this terrifying reality struck at Whakaari, also known as White Island, New Zealand. Despite being one of the most actively monitored volcanoes on Earth, it erupted with virtually no warning. In a moment, a tourist destination became a tragedy, claiming lives and injuring those who stood upon its slopes. It was a stark lesson in the raw, unpredictable power of our planet. The event highlighted a sobering truth for volcanologists. Despite every advance, pinpointing the exact moment an eruption will occur remains one of the greatest challenges in all of Earth science. It looks like a scene from another world. Forked bolts of lightning tearing through monstrous plumes of ash and fire, casting an apocalyptic glow over the landscape. This dramatic phenomenon, known as volcanic lightning, occurs when superheated ash, rock fragments, and ice particles violently collide within the eruption column, generating colossal static charges. As these particles rub against each other at hurricane-force speeds, they create an electrical storm unlike anything seen in ordinary thunderstorms. During the explosive 2015 eruption of Chile's Calbuco volcano, the night sky erupted into a dazzling, almost constant display of lightning, with bolts branching across the ash cloud like veins of electricity. The flashes lit up the surrounding valleys for miles, turning the darkness into a surreal, flickering spectacle. This breathtaking fusion of fire, ash, and lightning is not just a visual marvel. It also helps scientists decode the inner workings of volcanic plumes and the extreme forces at play. Fact 8. Supervolcanoes could change life on Earth. Hidden beneath calm landscapes are supervolcanoes, massive magma chambers capable of global catastrophe. The Yellowstone caldera in the US is one of the largest known. If it erupted today, it could blanket continents in ash and trigger a volcanic winter lasting years. Thankfully, supervolcano eruptions are extremely rare. The last major one happened about 74,000 years ago in Indonesia. Still, they remind us that Earth's power extends far beyond our imagination. This is fact 9. Some lava flows move faster than cars. For centuries, we've watched volcanoes with a kind of respectful caution. We learned their rhythms, their slow geological pace. We believed we could always outwalk their fury. But what if we were wrong? What if the very ground beneath our feet could transform into a raging river of fire, moving faster than a car on a highway? Deep within the planet's most volatile peaks, a unique recipe for disaster can brew. It's not the thick, sluggish magma of common legend. This is a thinner, hotter, more dangerous concoction. Lava so fluid it behaves like water. When this lava is supercharged by immense gas pressure and unleashed on a steep slope, it doesn't crawl, it races. It can reach speeds of over 60 kilometers an hour, a blur of incandescent destruction. In 1977, the world witnessed this terrifying truth. Mount Nyiragongo, in the heart of the Congo, cracked open. Its vast lava lake drained in a catastrophic torrent. This river of fire didn't give warnings, it gave chase, inundating the city of Goma with breathtaking speed, leaving utter devastation in its wake. It is the ultimate paradox, a force of utter destruction, yet also the very creator of new land. A line of fire that draws the ever-changing map of our world. This is fact 10. Volcanoes help create life. Despite their destructive power, volcanoes are also bringers of life. Their ash enriches soil with minerals, allowing lush forests and farmlands to flourish. Many of the world's most fertile regions, from Java to Naples, owe their existence to ancient eruptions. Even Earth's first atmosphere may have been shaped by volcanic gases billions of years ago. Volcanoes destroy, but they also renew. They're the ultimate reminder that creation often begins with chaos. From the molten heart of the Earth to the frozen edges of our world, volcanoes are the proof that our planet is alive, restless, powerful, and endlessly creative. Each eruption reshapes continents, builds new islands, and reminds us that creation and destruction are two sides of the same breath. The next time you see the calm horizon, remember, beneath your feet, the Earth is dreaming in fire. This is The World Explained, where we uncover the hidden forces shaping our planet, our history, and our future. If you enjoyed this journey through fire and stone, tap the like button, share it with someone who loves science and adventure, and subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Every eruption tells a story, not just of destruction, but of creation and transformation. So here's a question for you. What does the power of a volcano make you feel? Fear, awe, or wonder? Share your thoughts in the comments below, because the world is full of wonders, and we're here to explain them, one story at a time.